Hey everybody, Sean from SP Productions, back today with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the AnyCubic Photon Mono X 3D printer. Really excited that the printer is actually here, so let's get it unboxed and set up. Power cable, resin bat, putty knife, miscellaneous tools, power brick, mask and some stuff, build plate, and then yeah, here's the beast itself. So I'm actually going to set this up in my workshop, so let's move it over there.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is set up your printer on a nice stable surface. Next, you want to tilt your printer onto its back, and using the 4 adjustable feet on the base, you can then level the printer itself. So I used a small leveling block. Make sure you level front to back and left to right to ensure that the total build surface of the printer has been properly leveled. Once the printer has been leveled, just do a quick check to make sure it doesn't wobble at all when you press down. And with the printer being leveled, you can now plug in the AC adapter and power up the printer so we can level the print bed. First thing is to loosen the 4 adjustable bolts on the bracket that's on top of the build plate. And you can do this using the included Allen wrench. With the bracket screws loose, you'll just want to verify that the build plate can move freely. You can then attach the build plate to the Z-axis bracket. You can then use the included piece of leveling paper by putting it on top of the screen. In the printer menu, go into Tools, move Z-axis, and then hit the Home button. This will lower the build plate into the home position to prepare for leveling. Using one hand to hold the build plate steady, you can then tighten the 4 adjustable bolts using the included Allen wrench. Returning to the printer menu, hit the Z=0 button, which will reset the 0 position on the Z-axis, following which the build plate will automatically rise. Next up, we'll want to run an exposure test on the LCD screen, go into detection, set the time duration for as long as you'd like, and then click next. This will light up the LCD screen in the pattern shown. With the build plate leveled and the LCD screen functioning properly, the next step is to install the printer vat. This should fit right in the recesses on the top of the printer surface. You can then secure it in place using the accompanying hardware.
So I've got the printer set up, I've got the bed leveled, the resin bat's been installed, and I have the test file on this USB drive that they include with the printer. It looks like I've got everything ready to go to do my test print, except they didn't send me the resin that I ordered, so we're gonna have to be right back. So I'm back. While I was waiting, I set up the wash and cure station, so we'll be using that after the first print finishes up, but got my bottle of resin here. Amazon was able to save the day and get this overnighted to me, so let's get the first test print going. Okay, so the test print has finished, so let's pop it off the build plate and see how it looks. Switch it to cure mode. Cool, so the curing's done. Let's check it out. And there it is. This is the AnyCubic Photon test print file. So as you can see, it's kind of a cubical lattice structure with the AnyCubic Photon logo inside the cube, which is a pretty cool demonstration of just what you can do with 3D printing that you can't typically achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. So really cool. I'm really happy the way this came out and look forward to seeing what else this thing can do. So thanks so much for watching today, guys. See you in the next video.